Okay, the question's been raised. Well, how much do I have to owe before it's the smart thing to do to file for Chapter 7? And of course, I'm going to give you the lawyerly answer, which is it depends. So here's what it depends upon. We measure your amount of debt in relation to your annual income. So here's what happens to people, and here's how it sneaks up on them. You get some credit cards, you get them charged up, and you wind up, let's say you make $100,000 a year. When you get to where you owe half as much as you make in a year, so in that example, it'd be $50,000. You are in real trouble, but you don't know it yet because you're still able to make the minimum monthly payments. So we look at the tipping point really being at about 50% of your annual income in unsecured consumer type debt. Now that doesn't include cars and houses. I'm just talking about unsecured debt. And then the real over the top point, the point of no return is when you owe as much as you make in a year. And I'll tell you, just give you some simple math. At as much as you make in a year, then whatever the interest rate is that you're paying on all of that debt, let's say it's 20%, then 20% of your income, your gross income, is allocated to servicing the interest only. So if you're making 100 and you owe 100 and you're paying 20% on the credit cards, the interest only is $20,000 a year, and that is generally just more than any normal person can bear. It's been said that two people can live as cheaply as one. That's only if one doesn't eat and the other one goes naked. So the truth is, you've got to eat, you've got to pay your bills, you've got to pay these other things and feed your kids and get them to their events and all that. But when you get to where you owe 100% of what you make in a year, there's almost really no other choice.